Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Tank. This is the IBC Gang channel. Here we talk about everything that's happening in the traditional markets as well as the crypto markets with a specific interest on what's happening within the Cosmos ecosystem. Man, that's a mouthful whenever I say all of that. Guys, today we're going to keep it short and sweet. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it simple because I don't think there's no need for us to complicate things, even though there is a plethora of stuff for us to talk about, especially within the Cosmos ecosystem. Before I jump into everything, guys, I got to give channel sponsor shout outs to Bada Bing, Bada Boom, Kajira. Enter the room. Kajira.network is our channel sponsor. If you guys don't know about Kajira.network, maybe you should go do yourself some homework and check out Kajira.network. It's the blockchain for real yield, a decentralized ecosystem for protocols, builders, and Web3 users seeking sustainable fintech. Guys, I've been saying it so many times, every single time, basically, we go live because that's what we do. If you guys don't know, and if you're thinking that you're possibly bored or maybe there's nothing to do in Web3 or crypto, I will debate you because you can simply come to check out Kajira.network and you can play on Orca, Fin, Bow, Ghost, etc. They got Blue for your dashboard that you can check everything else out and you can pilot one of your ideas, guys. So many different things to do, and they're doing so much more as we speak. They are building ever, like always. They are building. What's up, chicken tacos? What's going on, my man? Guys, so shout outs to Kajira.network. Thank you for helping us do what we do here for the community, for the IBC gang, for the greater Cosmos ecosystem, and for the viewers that are still in crypto. You loyal few. It seems like a few. There's still a lot of you guys, though. For real. I'm just joking. There's still a lot of you guys. Guys, the next really cool partnership, not a channel sponsor, but partnership that I want to announce to you guys and I want to put on your guys' radar is that of Astrovault. Guys, if you guys don't know, I said on a space the other day, we have teamed up, we have partnered up strategically with the team with Astrovault. I'm a full transparency. Look at me. Hey, I'm the captain of the ship here. Look at me. I'm an advisor. I hold an advisor role for Astrovault. So full transparency, do your due diligence, right? Don't just trust me. Do your own homework, like research, like study up on math, all that other good stuff. I really like Astrovault. I really like the team. I really like everything going on over there, guys. I mean, the only thing that I kind of don't like is that I'm a U.S. citizen, right? Nobody chokes this. Well, that's right, chicken tacos. Guys, check out Astrovault, especially if you're not in the US, guys. They are growing. They don't have a token out just yet, but they will here soon. And when they do, I, of course, since I am an advisor and we have a partnership, I'm going to suggest to you that you should check out Astrovault because, guys, you gotta be generating an income. And Astrovault does that. We can't just be playing around on these AMMs, on these DEXs that are just losing value and just requesting more and more and don't have an actual plan, a sustainable plan. Check them out. For goodness sakes, we need sustainable, maintainable, realistic business plans, even in Web3. Astrovault covers those bases, guys. I recently moved to Europe, he said. What's up, Clayton? What's going on, everybody? But yeah, that's our channel sponsors. Shout outs to our favorites. You guys know OG Cosmos Spaces. They're our preferred validator of choice. If you guys know about them, you guys should definitely check them out as well. Lastly, I got to give one quick shout out. One last one, I promise. I know there's a lot, right? But you guys know the efforts, man. NFT Nashville, it's coming in hot. We're coming in hot, guys. One of the few, if not, well, actually, no, I think Gelato beat us to it, but one of the few in the Cosmos ecosystem to this scale, trying to spread awareness of NFTs within the Cosmos ecosystem to start happening within the Cosmos ecosystem that is straight up organic. No proposal, no governance, no community pool funds, none of that. Guys, if you guys are sleeping on NFT Nashville, if you guys have always wanted to go be part of the Cosmos ecosystem, meet some of your favorite people, maybe some of the friends that you've made online, and you guys have been waiting for an event in the US, NFT Nashville, baby, November 4th. Be ready because tickets will be getting sold soon. $80 ain't that bad. Shout outs to OmniFlix for helping us out. You guys know the drill. Definitely check out our main sponsor as well. We got many sponsors, many sponsors, but definitely check out our main sponsor as well. If you guys don't know, that's Stargaze. Stargaze is our main channel. Oh, blah, 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 blah. I feel like Tasmanian devil. Blah, 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 blah. Stargaze is our main sponsor for NFT Nashville. Definitely check them out. The platform within the Cosmos ecosystem, if you like NFTs, to go check out, right? Stargaze. Shout out to the Stargaze team. Guys, I can shout out everybody, damn it. I can shout out everybody. Everybody can get it. That's my new saying. I think everybody's already said that, but anybody can get it. I shout out whoever I like. I shout out the entire Cosmos ecosystem. You guys don't know. I could go on forever. I'm not even joking. I could go on forever. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. I could shout out. Guess what? You know what? I'm gonna shout out Balance DAO. Y'all don't know about Balance DAO within the Juno ecosystem. You freaking should, because we're making moves pretty soon. We're gonna be talking. We're gonna be giving out some huge alpha about Balance DAO. Just check this out. Check this out. Balance DAO making a difference within the Juno ecosystem. Really leading by example, guys. 6,305 Juno has already been swapped for Balance. 713 Balance token have been minted. We're on the lookout for community members to elect onto these multi-sigs, onto these funding organizations that will be controlled purely by the community, solely by the community, purely, solely, whatever I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. Shout outs to Balance DAO in the Juno ecosystem. Shout outs to Juno too. People be like, oh, don't touch that with a hot stick. Guys, you do you. I'm just trying to make a difference. Genuinely trying to make a difference, right? Hey, with that being said, guys, let's actually stop the chitter chatter with that long intro. Let's go check out the markets real quick and keep this short and sweet. All I want to do, it's been a while. All I want to do is touch base about what's happening within the markets. And let's see what's happening, guys. The traditional markets we're going to start off with. Dow Jones is actually up 0.15% on the day. Let's go ahead and check this out here. Let's go back to the daily here. Let's reset some things. Look at this. Look at this chart. Look at this beautiful chart here. Let me show you guys something. I'm gonna draw a little bit. It's gonna get messy, right? Stair-stepping movement, ever so slowly, gradually climbing to the upside. Look at this wonky Dr. Seuss stair-stepping movement to the upside. Oh, still sustaining itself, still not breaking down the trend. The trend is our friend until it's not. And the trend right now is a stair-stepping movement to the upside, ever so slowly, getting cut in half every step that we take. That's to be expected. That's what we need, right? That's what we want. I want it to go sideways right here. I want it to go. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't even be mad if it came down a little bit. I really wouldn't be mad if it came down a little bit. Absolutely loving it. Yes, but you know what? Chicken tacos steps should be getting smaller. Every move up, your steps should traditionally, ideally too, right, be cut in half. And if you look at this, boom, dramatic step, right? Next one, not that bad, but halfway. Next one, same thing. I mean, honestly, if you were to take a look and actually just draw, like, let's actually from the bottom here, we're just eyeballing, right? Right here, that's 9.58. All right, from the next step up to the next step up, boom, that's about 3.62, right? From that step up, boom, to the next step up here, 3.34. Still kind of decent there, but slowly, gradually becoming less and less with every step up. Now what we got to do is go sideways, collect ourselves, get our second win, composure, right? Get our energy back so that we can carry on in a bullish fashion. The only thing that we don't want to do is break down the trend, right? But until that happens, act like you've been there. You got to be taking profits whenever profits are there to be taking profits. And if you're doing so, none of it really matters long term. It doesn't matter if it goes up, it doesn't matter if it goes down. You're a profit taker. You're in your triple plus play. You're free and clear. You've done what you need to do. Now you're just trying to rinse and repeat with the same house money or with more house money, right? With the same strategies. That's all I'm trying to say, baby. That's all I'm trying to say. Let's take a look at market cipher B. RSIs don't really look very strong at all. Kind of wonky right here. You can see them just kind of being all wishy-washy. We're still in the chartreuse, our positive green money flow. You can see that being represented here on the momentum waves. You can also see that being represented down here on the red and green bar. We have much room to come down. And even if we did come down with the anchor waves, which is sell pressure, we'd still be in a long-term bullish form, right? Bullish structure. We could even come all the way down to this point right here, which is about 51.21. Absolutely fine. Act like you've been there. Act like you've done this dance before with the same old girlfriend. Let's go into the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ right now, it's up 0.18%. It's trading at 15,128. Guys, market cipher B definitely doesn't look as good as the Dow Jones. Definitely looking pretty wonky with the RSIs. We are printing a deep anchor wave. But, guys, we have a trend line right here. And until that actually gets broken, I don't care. I really don't care. Right? We've been taking profits, like I said before. We've been taking profits. We took profits. We took profits. Matter of fact, we also put this out there. We put this out there not too long ago. We told everybody that you got to be ready for that cup and handle pattern because that is definitely what's reflecting itself right now. This is a massive cup, right? And if it comes down with that handle, you got to be ready for it. Everybody, when that handle's happening, is going to tell you, your mama, your auntie, your brother, your sister, your mother, that you're all idiots and that we're all going to go down to the depths of Hades and stuff like that. And maybe, yeah, sure, they're right. Take profits. It don't matter, right? But you got to come down to set these kind of bullish patterns up, like a cup and handle pattern. You got to come down to complete the handle. And so, like beggars can't be choosers, slowly roll chicken tacos. I'm just joking. I just was gonna say because that rhymes. Chicken tacos. I know you're not saying, but I thought that was a cool rhyme. That was bad. It was bad. I'm just gonna stop. But yeah, you get what I'm saying. Cup, handle. If it happens, let it be. Let it be. Deploy maximum capital. Yes, not financial advice. Just throwing it out there. Let's move on to the Russell. The Russell is down 0.44%. It looks like it's going to be coming down to that point of interest, which is 188.87. Hopefully testing it as support. Hopefully it'll bounce off as support and we can carry on going sideways. It is going to be lining up with the 200 SMA on the daily time frame. RSI is clearly same thing as the NASDAQ coming down right now. We are hitting our trend line. It does look like it's going to break. It does look like it's going to split. It does look like we're going to have to start treating our submitting a new trend line here, which is a bearish trend line for the anchor waves here shortly, unless things fully reverse. But that's what I'm seeing right now in the daily time frame. Let's move on to the SPX. SPX is basically flat right now. And we were kind of showing this for a long time for the SPX as well. Cup handle pattern doesn't necessarily have to play out exactly, but if it does play out right here and it does come down, it does start creating that handle pattern, I wouldn't, be all too surprised. I called it out there. I called it out there a long time ago. That's why this is even up there. Let's take a look at market cipher B. Same thing. We're coming down. We're retesting this projected support line that we have for the anchor waves. So we could come all the way down here on market cipher B, still absolutely be fine long term. We're in the positive money flow. We have to ebb and flow throughout the markets. It's not all that bad. Take profits. Take profits. Give me some gravy, Gary. Yeah, give us some gravy. Hey, when is the freaking I'm not prepared for it, but when is the freaking Fed meeting? Coffee at like 3:13. I guess it's still good. I have to check it out. It should be soon, right? Is it soon? Oh, let's go. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Where are we at? SPX. Is it September? You know what? When's the next Fed meeting? Hold on. I'll Google it real quick. September 19th through the 20th. There we go. So wow. Okay. Fine. It's fine. It's fine. We got a while. We got a while. The Fed hiked interest rates 25 BPS to 5.25 to 550 at its July. Where is, where's my freaking thing? Hold on. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Where? I thought I had it on TradingView. But apparently not. Hold on. No, I guess not. I guess I don't. I guess I thought I did, but I guess I don't. What about next rate? I think 25 for sure. I think 25, unless they like really want to get serious and really put people out of work, because that's what it's all about, right? Like they need to get people not employed. Like it sounds fucked up, but it's the truth. Like they need to hit people and to where like pain is felt. And that means people, unfortunately, I'm not trying to celebrate it. We had to let somebody go the other day. It's just, it is, but not because of like we couldn't afford it nothing. That's because they're doing a pretty bad job. But people gotta get let go. Going into the house, yeah. Hey, that's exactly when they need to do it, though, right? Chicken tacos. They need to put that hurt on when people need it the most. When people need the support the most, that's when I think honestly, I think that's when the Fed should do it the most. Because if you really want to crush it, you really want to get it down, you really want to get taken seriously, you want to get there, take the path of least resistance, you got to do it. You got to crush them on the holidays, man. Crush them on the holidays, right? You're talking about consumers, you're talking about people being employed, you're talking about companies, not selling as much because the people don't got no jobs, people can't afford it, so not gonna buy as much. Like you need, like it'd be smart for the Fed to do it on the holidays. That's all I'm saying. Would it like be expected, guys? I know everybody's like, oh, Q3, Q4, that's when things are gonna turn around. Possibly, yeah, we were even putting it out there too. But like, hey, what I'm saying is real, guys. It could be ready for that. You got some dollar bills, stash it away. Take your nickels, rub them together, make a dime. You know what I'm saying? Put it away. That's all I'm saying. Could get funky. Could get real funky. That's all I'm saying. Um, let's move. Trying to keep this short and sweet, guys. Bitcoin is down today. It is down 0.42. It's actually just down like $123. So like big deal, right? Big deal. Big deal. Let's actually move to a better Bitcoin chart real quick. Well, actually, before we do this, I just want to say, is JP and I can't even read that. Garbar smart? I don't know. You talking about JP more? Wait. What? Who are you talking about? Just to clarify, what are you talking about? I do want to say, like, this is such an interesting play. It's been super interesting. Admittingly, you have to be very active with PAAS. PAAS, yes. Setting up, making sure. Jerome, yeah. Is he smart? I don't know. Um, yeah, I don't know. PAAS, you guys know that's been like my pick, right? There's been so much crazy volatility with PAAS. It gets up today 3.86%. Like even if you look in Jeremy Powell, Gary Gensler, yeah. Gare Bear. Oh, Gare Bear. I'm sorry. Too much coffee. I was like, what are you talking about? Gracie Baja? I was like, what then? Um, this has been a very, it hasn't made me as much money as I wanted to make, but it's been pretty fun. It's been pretty like, and like admitting the guys, if you guys don't believe me, go back and watch that any other time I talked about PAS. I've been playing these lines right here, and it's been pretty profitable. But man, like I'm just waiting. Like this is such a look at this range. I know it's kind of like a big range, right? Like except $4-5 of a range, right? But you guys know 4 DCA. You guys know what's up, Nick? Rub $2.50 together. um, this has been such a range for me, and like just look at the range of the volatility from this line. Oh God, I didn't do it right. This line to here. That's 35%, right? And even if you want to be conservative, just say, look, really tank, it's like really from here to here because you got all this price action, right? That's 21%. It has been pretty like I've been playing this for a while. Could we just like make up our mind? PAS. I've already taken profits again. So like I missed this 3.86% pump. I did like I've just been so busy at the office. I didn't get this again. But I did sell on the 200 SMA. I was thinking hopefully we'd run up past it again. It didn't happen. We got rejected. I was happy I sold on the 200 SMA. But this is such an interesting thing. It's going well, man. It's going well. It's been such an interesting thing. But like it's really interesting to see how long it's been going sideways within this range for PS. I might be wrong, but it's 345 days. It's almost a whole year of sideways. Like, man, if this thing explodes, look at this. Like I'm just saying, like it could go sideways like this for a long time. Good gosh, that's actually a really good reminder right there. I don't want that to happen, but man, it's like just a spring, right? Just keep compressing, keep compressing, keep compressing. Can we please just bounce up? Go back to 30 some dollars? Man, that'd be nice. Not too bad. Fiat collecting, yeah. Fiat mines are pretty OP right now. Yeah, there you go, man. Dude. It hasn't been bad. It hasn't been bad in my neck of the woods either. Wait. Not bad. Hey, what? Fiat mines are pretty OP. Oh, you're talking about I'm reading it wrong. I'm reading everything wrong today. I've been doing pretty well. Sorry, I don't know how say that without coming across like but let me just be real. Um, let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin, like we said, was down a little bit. Guys, we're still on the daily time frame above the 200 SMA. We still made humongous strides here, and like really, like until the 200 SMA breaks, I don't really care. Like I really don't care. What's up, Adam? Evening, evening. All been a while. Yeah. What's up, UK? What's gang, effers? Mm. Today is passive DCA day. Did anybody else DCA? It's Thursday. I forgot. I have not dynamic. I have not manually DCA'd, but I passively DCA'd today for sure. For sure. So I bought me some more Bitcoin. That's not bad. That's not bad. Market cipher B, Bitcoin daily time frame. RSI is clearly rounding back down. We're in just a smidget of the green money flow here, but it does look like we're going to be coming back down right now. Yeah, it doesn't look very all too convincing. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see some more downwards price action. It was nice to see us try to get above 30,000. As we come up to those levels, take some profits. DCA, right? That's what I'm doing, baby. DCA right into real estate. You know it. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Actually, you know what? Let me actually see. Hold on. Let me see if I can if I can if I can find one. Hold on a second. That's not it. That's not it. Go away. Let's see if I can find this real quick. Hold on. Hold on. This is let's see. I know. We're going off topic here. VRBO baby. Let me scroll in. Is it on here? Is it on here? Is it on here? Is this it? This isn't it. God bless. Better not be it, huh? No, that's not it. That's not it. Nope. 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 I can't find. Wait. Nope. I'm looking to buy. I put it out there. I freaking. I can't find it now, but I was looking to buy, and I was just trying to see if they actually have it here. Where's the freaking where the hell is that's Tennessee Capital, the Gulch, blah blah blah. Oh wait, is this it? What's this? No, no, go away. No, it's not it. I don't know where it's at. Never mind. It's on this side. So is this it? I can't. Oh wait, party foul. Nope, I can't find it anymore. Whatever. I don't even know what the freaking address is. Where's it at? Is this it? God bless. Stop messing with me. I can't find it. Whatever. But yeah, we're looking to buy a condo in Nashville, just to add to the arsenal, to the army. We'll see. Maybe it's available for NFT Nashville. We'll see. What's up, Clays? Aiming for 1,000 acres of prime farmland. Bring it on, man. Hey, the South, Tennessee, baby. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. That's all I'm saying. A little bit biased, but I'm just being real. Come on down. Come on down. Guys, let's get back into demarkets. Actually, let me ask you guys, since you guys are all here, Nick's here, Chicken Tacos here, the fam's all here. How you guys feeling? How you guys feeling about Bitcoin? All right, dude, I got a buddy that is like, it's so funny. He's been dying for me to invest in like Arkansas. He's got his whole like commercial real estate like operation over there in Arkansas. He's like Just he's always talking about Arkansas. What the hell? Is it because it's cheap and it's prime over there? When I think Arkansas, I think Little Rock. That's why I'm like, no, I don't want to go to that. Nick, I saw you talking about like I'm buying something for free for the first time without any money. What? Private money going out like hotcakes. Wait, just got my offer accepted. Just got my offer accepted for triplex, zero money down, 10% simple interest, private money going out like hotcakes. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta make that bank, baby. Oh, I want some of that. I want some of that. I was telling my wife, I was like, I don't know if I want to do this residential bullshit, like commercial properties where it's at, apartment complexes. Come on now. She's like, no, no, I want to use it. I'm like, I don't care to use it. I just want to make money. Anyway, guys, what do you guys think about crypto? What do you guys think about Bitcoin? What do you guys think about the recent market structure? What do you guys think about the Bitcoin ETFs? What do you guys think about the spot Bitcoin ETFs? You guys think this is going to happen within the next 6 months? Hmm? Solana's up just a little bit, 0.94%. It's the only thing pretty much green today, above the 200 SMA, bounced on the 200 SMA on the daily time frame. Look at you. Ethereum's, it's really crazy. Ethereum holding on to that mid 1800 price range. It's like really weirding me out. Like we had this structure, right, of upwards momentum. It cut through it. We're going sideways here. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're going sideways here. We're kind of like on previous resistance support in the past, right? Basically bounced right off the 200 SMA. What is your guys' thoughts about Ethereum? Nick says, not 6 months, maybe a year or two. Yeah, I don't think 6 months. I think in the next year. That's what I think. Wasn't ARCs like supposed to be like, weren't they supposed to say, didn't they say something about ARCs? Like submittal? I'm with Nick. Thoughts on PayPal stable? I think it's bad. You guys see the code? PayPal, hold your stuff at will, hostage style. Give me your money. You can't have it. You're like, oh, please. And like, no, bitch, it's mine. That's not good. I'm not doing that. I mean, I could see where some people like Robinhood, right? So like some people are going to do it, but not me. Not me. Yeah, I think the ETF, it'd be really, really cool to go back to Bitcoin right now, right? Like Bitcoin's having, when is Bitcoin's having? Bitcoin's having like within, so it's like March, less than a year. It's like, wouldn't that be crazy if it kind of like lines up to right around that time of a year, like to the halving? Holy crap. Could you imagine? How about you? Like, I want to be very, very clear too. I honestly do think like the top off, even with an ETF, all this other stuff, like best case conservative uh thought process, an estimation of like where we're gonna go for the top. I don't know where the top is. I don't know where the bottom is either. Flat out gonna say that. Nobody does. Anybody that calls it, you just got lucky. You don't know it. Nobody knows that, right? But I will say, like conservatively, I think that we might see a gain up to about like 143. Like I marked it right here. Like I marked this a long time ago. About like $143,000 Bitcoin from where we are right now. That from where we are right now, that'd be like a 376 game. Like yeah, I agree. I agree with you too, Nick. Like I honestly do think that this is like the last bull run. Like right, like if you want to call that the appreciation phase, like bull run. Once this happens, I really do think like the market structures, the overall industry is going to evolve into something a lot different, especially if you have an ETF. Um, into now, it's going to really stabilize, and things are really going to be. I would say it's going to be the true innovation moment for the crypto landscape when Bitcoin does that after this next run up. Chad in the house, what's up, Chad? Thoughts on left translated cycle at Nick. Adam wants to know. PayPal is more retail friendly. Yep. So people like Robinhood is going to use it, man. It really is. It'll be helpful. But Med says, what about Kuji Tank? You guys know, hey now. Y'all know I love my Kuji. That sounds so every time I say it, I'm like, I love my Kuji. Coochie. You guys know I love Kujira, guys. Absolutely love Kujira. Like I wouldn't have taken a sponsorship from them. I don't need it. It's like the sponsorship is for 500 a month, guys. It's nothing that's gonna make me happy. And matter of fact, so full transparency, I told Dove I'm not gonna be sell pressure ever. It's a social commitment that they did, and I'm so appreciative to get that from Dove and the Kuji family. Like I'm not selling it. I stake it. I just stake it because I truly believe in what they've done, what they've had to deal with, what they've been doing, their outlook and their approach and their views on not only the industry but building within the space and what they're trying to provide. I really do like Kuji. I honest to God love Kuji. Kuji and Astrovault and like admit some people are gonna be obviously I have balanced out happening, right? Like I still think I wouldn't say this, but it's also transparency. I've already made out like a bandit with Juno. So like kind of free and clear while I say this, but I think it has potential. If I'm banking on something, the three things in the Cosmos ecosystem is going to be Atom, right? You can call that for what it is, but I'm free and clear in that too. So kind of easier for me to say that when I'm free and clear, full transparency, right? But it's Atom because it has the most liquidity. It's Kujira because of everything I just said. Um, it's Astrovault because I know the team, I know math, I know like what Ethan and Eric are committed to bringing to the table. Full transparency, I'm an advisor for them. I sit on the team as an advisor. Um, but so like, and again, I wouldn't take that role if I truly didn't believe them genuinely and the protocol and platform itself, right? And then it's Juno because of a permissionless smart contract. You could go to any other route. You could go to any other permission or permissionless chain that we have in the Cosmos ecosystem that's VC funded, that has these devs and all stuff. It's not the same though. It's not the same as like you can, and again, I'm not saying you're wrong about Juno's problems, but it's not the same. That when you're talking about apples to apples, which there's no apples to apples, but if you're talking like really comparison, if I'm going to take a moonshot, if I'm going to take a gamble on one of them, I'm going to go for the one that has the higher like degen potential, right? I don't want to get into something that got front ran on VC money or private seed round money. Like, I'm sorry, I've done that before. I don't want to do that no more, man. LZO will replace Adam. Could possibly do so, especially if Adam don't figure something out. Kuji is your number one holding altcoin. I don't think that it's your. I mean, fuck, for God's sakes, let's be real. Kuji was killing it, right? Kuji killing it. Hold on one second. Let's actually check that out. Let's check that out real quick. Kuji has been absolutely ripping people's faces off like a mad gorilla at the zoo, like right, like feed that freaking monkey, yeah, it freaking ripping damn chimpanzees' faces. Look at this. Look at this. Go to the hourly here. I don't care what you say there, Phyllis. Like that's a good ass looking chart. You got and you got to take profits like as we get up to that 90 to $1 price point. If you're not taking profits, I don't care what your argument is. That's on you. Like, come on now. You got to be taking profits, right? But still, even the people taking profits, like, wow, wow, holy cheese nets. Let's go just from here. This is the second. This was just on this like last week, the second, right? From there, from the bottom average to the top, you saw almost a 40% gain. From where we are right now, in 7 days, you're up 26%. Everything's great. Like when you take profits. Layer zero. Yeah, well, hey, yo, no joke though. When no, I'm not a Juno well anymore. Like definitely not. Definitely not. I was not even a well at any given point. I just took a lot of profits on the way up to like $35-$40. And so like I made out like a bandit free, and then like, everything else I had was like it didn't matter. It was free and clear stuff. So it's like it's a lot easier for me to be optimistic and hopeful when I've made a lot of money on it, right? Like, and then I'm just being real and honest and transparent about that as well. But like for some other people, like I get it, right? Like some people are like that bought at 30 to 40 and like you've held on and seen it down. Like I get you're gonna be like, you're full of shit, Tank. And I'm like, yeah, I get it. But like, hey, it's up to everybody's position. I'm just being real, like Alameda research. I'll pass. Yeah, they probably had funding in it. I don't like, man. Like that's my thing. Like I don't want to get front ran by anybody else. And yeah, you could say like Juno definitely had that kind of issues too, but like a lot of that has happened. And like even if you go into Juno, gosh, I'm all over the place right now, guys. I'm sorry. But if you go into Juno right now, like it's definitely nothing to brag about, and the pain could definitely not be over one bit whatsoever. But like this is the hourly. Like we've seen the low of right about 21 cents ish, but I mean, holy crap. What is this? 20%. Oh man. That's still 5, almost 6%. Like, I don't know. Maybe I don't somebody was asking this on the Rack FM thing. Like maybe it's a good time for the low now. I don't know though. Any single time anybody thought that that was a good time to start accumulating more, Juno, look, I'm gonna be very honest with you. I'm working with balance. That's the only thing that I really care about right now. I mean, it's not the only thing, but like that's my contribution to Juno. I think the things that Juno needs to do first and foremost is change the community sentiment, the overall crypto landscape sentiment about Juno in itself. And one of the ways that they can do that is through balance. I think after that, like then we can start talking about like if we can get Jake, we can get Reese, we can get the core members, we can get Juno working groups, the Juno communication stuff out. All of these people, validators throughout the line, all of them slowly swapping a little bit, not all of your balance or all of your Juno rewards, but just a fraction, like maybe 20% of it every single time you're doing that into balance and really reinvesting back into the community that have been like I'm gonna be real, have been weathering the vast majority of the weight, carrying most of the weight, weathering most of the storm. Um, as far as price action and whatnot. That's gonna go a long way. You gotta like there's many other things that can happen. Obviously, we gotta find stuff to deploy for Juno. We gotta find like a, whatever this value capture narrative. But you also have to start working on the overall, like you could have the best product ever, but if it's covered in shit, looks like shit, smells like shit, I don't know a lot of people are going to pick up that shit, even if it's the best product ever. Like, you could go wash it and do all this other stuff. Most people are going to be like, hard pass. I'll just wait and pick up something that's not covered in shit. Like you gotta clean up that shit. And I'm just saying, like that's my and then putting control back into the people, right? Letting them kind of find ways to kind of gamify things, degen things. Maybe we innovate a little bit more. Balanced out. Check them out, guys. Take a little bit of your Juno, swap it. I'm telling you right now, we got to look for community members that want to make a difference, that want to be on these SIGs. But here's the address right there. If you guys want, Akash has pumped almost 50% in the last 3 days. Yeah, that's nothing new, man. I've been talking about Akash for over a freaking year about like the wonky price action with when it comes to Akash. Like, look at this. Look at this. I just stopped doing it because it made me feel weird. It made me feel really weird. Look at this. Look at this. It's up right now, 43% on multiple exchanges. Look at this, 23%. 23% around. Look at the fucking holy crap. Holy crap. But like look here. Go to the daily time frame right here. This is how long I've been looking at this, right? Way back here. BitGet, like easier order book, liquidity's thinner. Like obviously you can make these moves. But guys, there was 200, 900%, like not 900, over 90% moves up and or down. It's so volatile. Oh, you can't see. I'm sorry. Thank you, Nick. Like, bro, we were showing this stuff for forever. If you just played these lines, you made tons of money. If you just played these lines that I was showing a long time ago, I tweeted this out. I stopped doing it because I was like, I feel weird. But guys, like you could have, if you were playing on BitGet, hell, even this one right here, which is, KuCoin, like, fuck, dude. Oh my gosh. Lots of money, stupid money. But you got to be a profit taker. None of this works if you're not a profit taker. That's my only, if I'm ever drilling something in people's heads, if you take a position, you're up like percent wise, put it in your rules to follow, take those profits, be an active profit taker. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, I was talking about Akash just the wintertime. Thank you, Joe. Thank you. But it's just weird. It's wonky. It's weird to me. I still got Akash. I got some Akash from my free and clears. Like how I would say, hit that triple plus play, get your initial out plus some profits, and then you got some of that asset free and clear. Some from that asset free and clear. I've just been staking it, guys. Bro, I'm loving it. Right? Go. Keep on going, baby. Keep going. Do your thing. What's up, Joe? Hey. Yeah, so like Akai, that's crazy to watch too. But yeah, we'll go back into it. Some of the other things not doing so well. Dot, it's down 1.36%. Shout outs to the Dot ecosystem, those people over there with Funky and everybody else, and Kusama. $4.98. Like, oh. But still, like, you came here, you played this line. I don't talk about it enough to brag about it, but we put out and predicted this line forever ago. And it was just average of price action in the past, support, and guys, boom, hit it exactly to it, almost to a freaking T from there to here and everywhere in between. That's still up 18.54%. If you're not taking profits on that, you're crazy. You're crazy. You come up to the 200 SMA and you don't think you're going to get rejected on it, you're crazy, right? 4.75 is a nice entry for yeah. I mean, I had for Dot. I mean, I was looking at 423. I was calling that 423 long time. Did you see Sift Chain in the days dead cat boss? No, I don't even talk to me about Sift Chain. Sift Chain and everybody, like, not now, because obviously some of those other people, but all the old Sift Chain fuckers, fuck y'all. Look at me when I say this. When I say I was calling out, Nick and I were calling that stuff out. Look, we rounded up, but when things started getting weird, we were the first ones saying, look, I'll say this right now. Shame on y'all. Shame on y'all. Rowan, Sift Chain. What the hell was his name? Shady ass bastard. Fucked up, shitty, fucking grifting ass, dumb, lying ass motherfuckers. Like, I'm going to be real right there. Look, YouTube, I don't care about monetization. Oops, I'm swearing a lot. These guys deserve it. These guys deserve it. And you know what? Shame on everybody else that's in the Cosmos ecosystem, that's in the know, that's all these developers that, like, honest to God, don't tell me you guys, like, nobody else was calling this stuff out. For forever, nobody else was calling this stuff out. That's what makes me feel like you guys are weird. Like, you can't tell me y'all like, oh, y'all didn't know what's happening over there. Y'all just kept quiet the whole damn time. I'm looking at you, Cryptocito. You hold a big responsibility, being in the know, talking to all these people, having these people be willing to talk to you. You can't tell me you didn't know. You can't tell me you had a validator of it. You can't tell me stuff wasn't being real and you weren't actually out there actively telling people, hey, heads up, stuff looks wonky. Bro, shame on all of you guys. And if it hits the nerve, I'm talking to you. I don't know if I'm talking to you, but if I'm saying something right now and it hits your nerve and you're like, fuck that guy, he don't know what he's talking about. Fuck you. You know what I'm talking about. Shame on you. Being real. Shots fired. Fuck y'all. We tried, right? We only get as much information as they. We got Joe and I and a few others. We got to freaking pry it out them. It's like, pun intended. My wife's a dentist. We got to pull teeth to get some shit like that. Don't tell me y'all didn't know. Shame on y'all. Anyway, guys. Yeah, I don't even trying to look at. Don't look at Sift Chain. Not financial advice. Peer-to-peer friend advice. Don't be looking at Sift Chain. Fuck Sift Chain. I will say no. There's people trying to make a difference on Sift Chain. But fuck all that, man. What can I say? You know what? I said it. Avalanche right now down almost a whole percent, 0.95%, well underneath the 200 SMA. Avalanche and their C chains. I don't know. Being geo-blocked from Sift Chain was a blessing. Yeah. Yep. For a lot of people that adhere to the rules, sometimes that is a blessing, being geo-blocked, right? I don't know. Anybody have Avalanche? Anybody like intrigued by Avalanche? I have some Avalanche, some free and clear Avalanche that I bought a long time ago. It's definitely down right now. That's for fucking sure. But I just stake that thing for God forever. And I'm just like, whatever. If it happens, it happens. As a matter of fact, I think I probably actually ran my course and I need to, like, check it out and make sure it's not just sitting there. But ooh, Avalanche, man. Avalanche. Does it look like it? I only have it on one, which is on Coinbase, but does it look like a double bottom? God, I would hope so. Could you imagine that comeback from $12.50 all the way back up to like $100, $131? Man, I'll be happy. ADA right now down $1. I'm sorry, 1.35%. It's just $1. It's at, that'd be nice, right? If it was $1. It's at 29 cents. A little bit above 29 cents. I'd buy FTM over AVAX. You know what's funny? They actually, aren't they relaunching FTM? Hey, look, I'm gonna say a hot take right now. Some people might be like, "Oh, Tank." They had a really good UI UX, and like, there's value in that. Like, there really is. Like, if they relaunched again, I think people would use them. I really do. I think people would use them, and I think they'd gain traction. I really do. My entry for Ada is 18 cents. Hold on, let me see. Let me go back to Ada real quick, guys. I have a dog named Ada. I love her to death. She's kind of needy. But yeah, I actually, it's really funny. I have it at 9. See this line? Yeah, I knew it had there. That's my entry. That's my entry that I'm interested in is 10 cents, Joe. That's where I'm entering. It's 10 cents, bro. That's where I'm gonna start entering 4x4 DCA strategy. But that's where I would be entering. Um, and only because of like I know there's liquidity there, and I know I could like not because of like what they're shipping or anything like that, just because market cap, like what's the word I'm looking for? That made up word that we use. Not token, whatever. Just because of people are degens, right? I bought some at 2.5 cents and didn't sell. Did you really, dumb? Bro, you didn't sell over $2. All right. Oh man, I was in Mexico. I remember I was in Mexico and I was like, I'm selling. I was sitting at the pool talking to a guy that worked on the Chicago on the CME. And I was like, I'm selling. I'm selling right now. It was good times. You bought NFTs and hey, but did you flip those NFTs? Guys, we already talked about Akash. Zcash down 0.27%. Link Marines for Timmy. It's at $7.55. It's at 1.5% down on the day. Litecoin is down almost the same, 1.48%. It's at $82. Let's see if we see anything else that's interesting. Anchor up 0.25%. AMP up 1.463%. That's really weird. Why the hell? Why is AMP up? Listen, I get so caught up in this Cosmos ecosystem bullshit. I like sometimes I feel stupid for not like keeping up with everything else. Injective down almost 3%. It's still maintaining that mid $7 range, which is absolutely great. Um, I was dude. I want, and you know what? Honestly, I will say Injective has one of the best looking charts from the fall to like this. Oh my god, look at this chart. Like from the low, it has one of the best looking charts for a legit project. 544%. Engine money rotating into Kuji. Could be, bro. Could be. We're gonna get into Kuji in just a second. Osmosis. Osmosis. It's down almost a whole percent. It's at 0.75%. It's trading at 45 cents. Guys, I'm so happy. You guys remember IBC gang? I know chicken tacos and some of you guys. I was already out free and clear, but I was like really, really debating with my osmosis holding. It was like $1.12 or something like that. I remember, and I was like, bro, right when it started rounding, I was like, nope, fuck this. I'm cutting my losses. I was already up, but I was like, I'm done. I'm done. Thank God. That was whoo. That was one of whoo. I get it. Look, I know. Look, I'm not fudding your project, Sonny, or everybody else. But you guys gonna have to do better in a super concentrated liquidity or whatever you're calling it, man. Man, man. All I'm saying, Astrovolt. That's all I'm saying. Astrovolt. What was your big news yesterday when you get a chance? If you remember, oh yeah, no. So huge news, right, Joe? You might not have even heard this before as well. Um, but yeah, if you didn't hear it earlier today, if you guys don't know, yesterday I was very much blessed to receive some crazy news. I am now an advisor for Astrovault. I've taken that position officially with the team as an advisor, which means there are some perks, right? Obviously, some struggles as well. Like I can't use the platform because I'm geo locked. I'm in the States, but I am an advisor. I do have an allocation. I will know I will not be um, dumping on everybody. That's my commitment, just like Kuji, right? I'm committed to that. Some people might think that's stupid, but I have a social commitment to the ecosystem and to the people that watch the show and to the people that I tell things to, right? So if I'm telling you guys about Astrovault, I can promise you, and until it's finalized, I'm not going to say anything and get ahead of myself, but I can like obviously, and I don't have a problem at all being transparent and showing people that. Because like words, right? Actions speak louder than words, and you gotta not just say it, you gotta prove it a lot of times to people. But yeah, so like yeah, we have a not a sponsorship, we have a partnership with Astrovault. And if you guys watch the channel, I mean, it's all about math, right? It's all about business savviness. It's all about having a sustainable, long-term business plan for value capture, not just for your platform, but for the people that are using your platform. I think Astrovault is really working hard into doing that. It's one of the first, if not the first, that is truly committed to trying to solve those kind of problems. And that's always one of been some of my biggest gripes, right? Is like sustainable, maintainable, true, healthy business practices for not only like the endeavor, but for the people participating within the endeavor. So again, I was able to jump on a call with them, and I'm blessed. I'm really blessed to be amongst such, in my opinion, good people that are genuine, that's working towards those kind of things, bringing you guys those kind of products. So, yeah, Astrovault partnership with IBC Gang. Like everything I do is for the people. Uh, that's anything we ever put out is it's got to have more weight for those people than myself. And so like I'm not going to put it out there just yet, but Finn said it during a space that I said it on. Guys, don't sleep on it. Like Manekis, both. Like, don't you think that I'm not reinvesting back into it with those positions? That's like if we are expecting more from others, we gotta lead by example. And I'm not a white knight. God knows we don't need any more Jacobs or anybody calling themselves white knights or protectors of the realm. But I will lead by example. I have morals, I have standards, I have my balls, and I ain't breaking them for nobody, like Scarface said, right? And so yeah, it's an effort every single day to do so. It's gonna be so for the length of my life here. But that's my commitment. So yeah, Astrovault guys, check them out. Woohoo. Um, I think that's unless I missed it. Did I miss anything else, guys? Anybody else have any other questions? Notional just spun up a Quorum validator. Good for them. I hope they do it on their own. I hope you can stand on your own 2 feet, Notional, because I like all I got. Look. Jacob and I have had our differences. Jacob's team and I have had our differences. Jacob has said to me things before, both trying to work with and trying to tear me down in the IBC gang. My first interaction with Jacob was that of him attacking me and the IBC gang. That's literally was my first one. Like I'm not trying to put more fuel to the fire, but I'm just being real. I think myself and a lot of other people, my friend, are over it. Truly over it. You're like unfortunately, you're like the boy that cried wolf. You're like the guy that could never catch a hint, right? You overplayed your hand, I believe. And so as you're quick to say whatever you want to say, I will now say whatever I want to say. And I'm never going to stop. I've said this before too, but your boy Litbit, and you can get it whenever you want to, Litbit. I gives 2 fucks. I'm always after you guys from now on. You guys barked up the wrong tree. You poked the wrong bear. And I'm coming for you guys. I'm coming. Anytime you fuck up, I'm coming for you guys. There's no mercy anymore. We try to be nice. You guys don't do it. You guys are users and abusers. You guys take. And the minute you guys are faced with hardship, you'll gladly drown your rescuer to keep your head above water. And I think the rest of the ecosystem now sees that. And so good for you. Spin up your validators because hopefully you guys are savvy enough to start maintaining yourselves in there without asking everybody else to do it for you. Because it's not just me, but I think a lot of people are sick of you and your entire team. So anyway, that's that. I really like, other than that, whatever. Like I don't even really even care. To me, Jacob is a joke more than anything. I think Notional is more of a joke than anything. I think honestly, Don Kryptonium said it best, and a lot of other people. I think Cosmos would be absolutely fine without you, Jacob, and Notional. I think we'd be absolutely fine without you. And so it's unfortunate, but I think you played your hand too aggressively, my friend. And maybe it takes a long time for it to work out, but yeah. Anyway, good for Notional. Was talking to Lightwaver, who runs Aquarium Validator last night, a Tad. Are they happy about Jacob? No, I mean, you know what? If everybody's like, "Oh, we shouldn't give Jacob the time of day and stuff like that," but like honestly, no, I'll give you the time of day because the time that I'm gonna give you is bad time. I'm gonna give you a bad time every single time that we bring you up. There's not gonna be that whole any exposure is good exposure. Like any publicity is good publicity. Nah, because I'm gonna share every single story and every single interaction, everything that is true per my perspective, my position when it comes to Notional. Mm-mm-mm. That's what I got for today, guys. Don't forget to check out NFT Nashville. Tickets going to be on sale soon. I really hope to see you guys all there. Hey, I promise you, I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just trying to keep it real. I'm just trying to keep it real with people. And I'm trying to keep it real for the people of the IBC gang and the people who call themselves cosmonauts. I'm not in it to play those other games. I'm in it to be standing right next to you guys, shoulder to shoulder, in the mud, in the trenches, in the foxholes. That's where I want to be hanging out with y'all. And so if you guys like it, if you guys really appreciate the supports, the rats, the bullshit, the banter, whatever you guys want to call me. Sometimes I'm irritating. I get it. Do me a favor. Like, subscribe, especially on YouTube. I know it's Thursday. We will be re-rolling back in community game day soon. I promise you guys, things have just been really busy. But yeah, be on the lookout for that, guys. But yeah, doesn't take much to be supportive. It's free. It's actually free. Tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell your mother. Make fake accounts. I don't care what you do. Suggestion. But subscribe. Do something, right? Hey, I appreciate you guys. With that being said, I hope you guys take profits. You guys be blessed. We'll be back for the fire and brimstone soon because we're here for that. Peace, IBC gang. Take care. Later.